Hey guys, welcome to YouTube and Amazon page. This printer is HP DeskJet 2710 2700 series. I want to show you how to install or replace the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 305 in the UK and 67 in the US. To install the ink, you need to open up this cover, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself to the center. The colored one goes to the left and the black one goes to the right. To remove the ink or replace it, you need to push down the ink. This is the triple color. Then push down the black one and remove it. To install the ink, then you go in the same position. You need to go in straight. There is a sticker that will also help you to install the ink or replace it accordingly. So go in. Once you put the ink, you need to push it upwards. You will hear a click sound. Do the same thing to the colored one. Go in, push it upwards. And also just use your hand to check to make sure they are intact, they are not falling off. And once you've done that, close the cover and give the printer few minutes to set and recognize the ink cartridges. And if you look on the LCD screen, you will see the ink gauge. Two gauges, one to the left and one to the right. It will also show you the level. If ink is running out or there is no ink cartridges, you will see a warning light highlighting here. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.